So Drone Delivery Canada is a drone logistics infrastructure company. It's not just about the drone, but certainly drones are part of our portfolio. We have 4 drones in our current fleet: the Sparrow, the Robin, the Falcon, and the Condor. But we also have automated depots that the drones fly between. We have an automated battery management system, and we have a software package called Flight that really wraps it all together and allows us to fly safely in controlled airspace. We are looking at a variety of use cases. Typically they fall into 2 categories where access is difficult. So it could be a remote community, it could be e-commerce last mile deliveries, it could be oil and gas, it could be a large open pit mine, it could be oil rigs out at sea. The other application is typically where time is of the essence. So it could be a medical application, humanitarian or emergency aid, or it could be emergency repair parts. We're a Canadian company. We have 1 patent on our overall system. We have 8 patents pending in 2020, and we are a great Canadian success story. We own all of our intellectual property. So we are really the leader globally in the drone logistics industry. We don't really have a viable competitor. We're partnered with Air Canada as our commercial partner, and together we are actively signing new accounts. And this is really an industry that is going to explode and have exponential growth, so it's a good opportunity to participate at this time. Well, certainly it's given the brand and the company great exposure. It's also enabled us to raise capital to allow us to be who we are today, the leader in the drone logistics industry globally. They know I work in the aerospace industry related to drones, but probably not all the details of exactly what we do, because it's a bit of a nascent industry, but they know it's drone related.